Hello, viewers. My tonight's topic of discussion is present indefinite tense and its interrogative form, past indefinite tense and its interrogative form, and future indefinite tense and its interrogative form. However, I am not making my introduction very lengthy, and let us start today's topic, that is interrogative forms of present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, and future indefinite tense. For example, let us write a sentence. He works out the sums at home. So he is third person singular number, and naturally the principal verb has taken S. So what should be the interrogative form? As it is the third person singular number, he, subject, so you must supply an auxiliary verb, that is do, and that will be does. Does he work out the sums at home? Note of interrogation. So you see that auxiliary verb has taken the form, that is yes. He is third person singular number, and the principal verb is without any yes or s. And if it is interrogative plus negative, then what should be the form? Does he not work out the sums at home? Okay? And short form can be used as he is pronoun as a subject, it will take its place between the auxiliary verb and the negative form. Clear? And if it is short form, there is no problem. Doesn't he work out the sums at home? Okay? So this is the format. For example, with be verb past tense, the children are very happy to see the beautiful garden. Okay? The children are very happy to see the beautiful garden. So are is acting as the principal verb, that is the finite verb. Are the children very happy to see the beautiful garden? Are the children very happy to see the beautiful garden? Okay? Now use the negative form. As children is noun, not will take its place just before the auxiliary verb. Just before the verb, not auxiliary verb. Here it is the principal verb. Are not the children, are not the children, as children is noun, it is not pronoun, not will take its place just after are. Are not the children very happy to see the beautiful garden? Okay? So, you can use this format. And the short form is, aren't the children very happy? Aren't. It should be written in this way. Aren't the children very happy? Sorry, doesn't. Aren't the children very happy to see the beautiful garden? Okay, this is the format. Now let us come to past indefinite tense. Let us come to past indefinite tense and its interrogative form. The boy helped the old man cross. That is to cross, to is object, cross the road. Okay? You see that the finite verb is helped. Then what will you do? You will supply do verb. Did the boy, do will be did. Did the boy help? Then the finite verb will be the present form. It is the rule. The finite, when the auxiliary verb will be in the past form, the finite verb will be in the present form. Did help. Did the boy help the old man cross the road? Okay? Not of interrogation. And if it is interrogative plus negative, did not the boy is noun. So, did and not will take their places side by side. Did not the boy help the old man cross the road? Okay? And if it is short form, you can write didn't in this way. So there is no problem. Clear? It is the past form. And when there is be verb, for example, the doctor was a kind-hearted person. Kind-hearted man. Okay? You see, be verb has three forms: am, is, are, and was and were is the past form. Was the doctor a kind-hearted man? Was the doctor a kind-hearted man. Okay. Was not the doctor. Doctor is noun, so there is no problem. Not will take its place after was. Was not the doctor a kind-hearted man? Note of interrogation. It can be used short form. Wasn't can be used. Wasn't the doctor a kind-hearted man? So this should be the format. So there is no problem. Now let us come to future indefinite tense and its interrogative form. Future interrogative, future indefinite and interrogative form. For example, she will participate, that is take part, she will participate in the program. She will participate in the program. Okay? Now, what will be the interrogative form? Will she participate in the program? Okay? Suppose interrogative plus negative. Will she not? As she is pronoun, it will take its place, subject will take its place between will and not. Will she not participate in the program? And if you like to use short form, won't she participate in the program? Okay? Won't. So will plus not won't, shall plus not shan't, okay? Am plus not ain't. Clear? Will plus not won't, shall plus not shan't, shan't, am plus not ain't, okay? Ain't, are plus not aren't, okay? Is plus not isn't, etc. These are the short forms. So there is no problem, and let us stop here. And I hope that all of you have understood the indefinite tenses and their interrogative formats. And the next day, I shall give you the lesson on continuous tenses, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous simultaneously. So there will be no problem for you. Let's stop here. Stay safe, stay well. Avoid mass gathering. Still use your hand sanitizer and mask. Good night today. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like, to comment and share. Thanking all of you. Good night.